Okay, time for a little trek down on the property. Hope I don't bust my ass coming down this hill, because that's not gonna be fun. Look how beautiful that is. Absolutely gorgeous. You gotta love it. Oh, I gotta go a little quicker down the hill. Ah! Otherwise, you gotta move faster sometimes. You'll bust your ass. Here, we got our trail here. Ooh, I better put up my hood on. So I'm about to get some snow down my neck. I couldn't see it now. That ain't gonna be no fun neither. No, here we go. Alright. Ooh, down the trail. And we are coming down here for a reason. I'm gonna check on the apple trees. Just 'cause I haven't been down here for a long time. I'm gonna find out. We gotta take our time and enjoy. We're in the canopy now. See, it's all overgrown, and all that here is the trail. Look at that. Oh crap. We have to move some branches here. Oh, we gonna get through here though. There we go. Ah, there's the snow on my phone and everything. But we made it. Here we are. Let's see what's going on. Oh, that tree. What's he doing? Man. That tree is all bent over. That is an apple tree. Oh. Still got leaves on it. Hot dang, son. I'm gonna have to give that tree some help. It's gonna need, it's healthy. It's a healthy tree. It's just gonna need a stake or something, because we want it to grow. It's got plenty of room. It'll grow here. Might need to clear some of this out, but let's check these other trees. This sucker's frozen. Look at that tree. It's alive though. Look, it's growing. Let's see what this other one's doing. Look, that one's getting bigger. See it? It's getting bigger. Gotta clear all this out. It's all overgrown. But look at that. Take a look at this field. Let's look at this. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Come over here and see the other tree. It's a Honeycrisp. It's getting pretty tall. Can't see the tip there. Up there it is. So it's up, what, about 8 feet now? It's not bad. But man, I gotta fence all this in. It's deer get in here next year and they'll be eventually chewing on those. All right, that's fun.